Google Professional Certifications. These are flexible online training courses that teach participants the skills needed for areas of work that are increasingly popular, such as project management, data analysis, user experience design, and technical support services in the field of information technology. These courses are available on Coursera.org, and access to them does not require previous experience or certificates related to the course content. Help everyone find new job opportunities. No previous experience is required. Acquire the necessary skills for the fields of work, and it is not necessary to have previous experience or relevant certificates. Learn at your own pace. You can complete the online course on a schedule that suits you. Learn unique skills that employers demand. Get certified certificates from Google to be eligible to compete in the job market. Available educational grants. Google now offers 100,000 scholarships across Europe, the Middle East, and Africa to meet the needs of the labor market there, and these scholarships cover the cost of monthly Coursera subscriptions. Obtain accredited professional certificates in the fields of work that are witnessing an increasing popularity and demand. 1. Data analysis. Analysts collect, transform, and organize data to help make informed decisions. The course is intended for those interested in analyzing data, monitoring indicators and patterns, and visualizing data. Data analytics from Google Professional Certificate. This is your path to a career in data analytics. In this program, you will learn the required skills that will get you job ready in less than 6 months. No degree or experience required. 2. Digital marketing and e-commerce. Digital marketing and e-commerce professionals use online platforms to connect with consumers. If you are interested in connecting with brands and people on the internet, Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. This is your path to a career in digital marketing. In this program, you'll learn in-demand skills that can have you job ready in less than 6 months. No degree or experience required. 3. Technical support services in the field of information technology. IT experts identify and solve problems in computers and networks. The training course is intended for those wishing to provide technical support services and help others. Google Information Technology Professional Certificate. This is your stepping stone to an IT career. In this program, you will learn the required skills, which will get you job ready within 3 to 6 months. No degree or previous experience is required. 4. Project management. Project managers are keen to manage and complete projects in their organizations in a manner that ensures the best possible results. The training course is intended for those wishing to manage projects, solve their problems, organize their tasks, and cooperate with the individuals in charge of their implementation. Project management from Google Professional Certificate. In this program, you will learn the required skills that will get you job ready in less than 6 months. No degree or experience required. 5. User experience design. A user experience designer is concerned with facilitating the way people use all products, whether digital or non-digital, to suit their needs. The course is intended for those wishing to work in the field of technical design, information systems design, and research. User experience design from Google Professional Certificate. This is your path to a career in user experience design. In this program, you will learn the required skills that will get you job ready in less than 6 months. No degree or experience required. In the end, I thank Jason for your follow-up. We hope to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button, and do not forget to like. We also await your support through the super chat and the thank you feature.